Myself Mani Saxena, your geography teacher. Today I am taking your first topic of your class 7, that is representation of geographical features. Till date you have studied about in previous classes that globes and maps. Now this time you have to study in class 7 students the geographical features. Which features are coming in geography, that we are starting. Geography is the study of Earth's landform. And what are the landform? That is mountains, plateaus, plains. These are what? Landform. And how the landforms affect people and their activities. Means how these landforms affect your people, and what about if you are living in a mountain area, the climatic conditions are different. If you are living in a plains area, then the climatic conditions are different. That's only it's affected. Now geographers therefore use different tools to represent the features of the earth in the way that enables easy study. We learned about maps and how they are used to represent features of the earth on a flag. Means till yet we have to study about the maps. Now till yet we have studied about the political maps, physical map which you have studied in the previous classes. Now this time in class 7th you have to study about the topographical map. What is this? This is the topographical map. So what is this you have to study in this? You have to represent the colors in this. Which color is this? This is yellow color, green color, white color, red color, black color, blue color. So these colors you have to study about it, and what are the features and what are the conditions about the colors that you have to specify in this chapter. Now what are topographical maps? The word topography means the shape of the land surface. Topographical maps are large scale maps. Means these are large scale maps that show in great detail the natural and the cultural or human made features of an area. Topographical maps are also called topographical sheet. You have seen that this is a sheet. So this map is called topographical sheets. Now topographical maps show the following features. First thing is relief. What is relief? I've already just now telling about you what are the landform. The mountains, valleys, plains and plateaus. Number 2, water bodies. What are water bodies? Which things are coming? Lakes, rivers and streams. Vegetations, wooded and cleared area. Next is cultural, means human made features are also in this picture is shown in map. Towns, villages, roads, railway lines, airports and post office. Now topographical maps are very important to city and town planners also, who use them. Means basically this map is usually by the town planner, whether they are going, which area they are going. That's why they are using this map. Who use the maps to decide transport routes and the location of buildings, factories and other infrastructure. Now representation features on a topographical map. Means what are these features on a topographical map? Cartographers use different methods such as the use of colors, contour lines and symbols. Till yet you have studied about the symbols, keys, legends, which you have studied in the previous classes also, to depict geographical and cultural features on topographical map. These are explained in the legends. Legend means what are the keys which you are making in the maps also. When you are making in the maps, you are making the key. Okay, this is representing water body, this is representing mountain, this is representing plateaus. These are the legends which you are making, and it is also called keys of the map. Now the colors. Now I have told you just now only show you the color. Yellow color, green color, white color, red color, blue color, black color. So what these colors are representing, now we are taking about this topic. Now the colors. The use of color is one of the oldest and the most effective methods of conveying information in map. Colors are used in topographical maps to show cultural features like land use, railway lines, roads and settlement, and the relief of the land. Yellow color. First you have seen in the map. Class, see this, the yellow color. What this yellow color is representing? Yellow color representing agricultural land. So what this yellow color is representing? Agricultural land. Now the next color, green represent land under forest. Green is represent means, again see green color is shown over here. So what this green represent? This part is covered with forest. Now next is color is shown is white. What this white represent? White represent ki this is barren or unproductive land. Now the next color is the blue color. What is this blue color? You know the water bodies is represent by such as rivers, lakes or reservoirs. Now the red color, these have you seen the red colors are also this in sheet. The red represents settlements such as villages. Red represents settlements such as villages, towns or cities. Now the black lines, black is used to show railway lines and the boundaries of countries and state. Now the brown color is used for contour line. The new words have come here for what are the contour? Contour lines are what? Those are showing the higher levels, heights. And the contour number, that is the brown color is represent. Have you seen the colors are representing yellow, green, white, blue, red, each and every color I have specified and I have drawn it also over here. Now the contour lines. The elevations or relief of an area is shown with the help of contour line. Contour lines join places that lie at the same altitude. What is altitude? That is the height which is shown above the sea level. I have shown you the contour line. These are the contour line. If contour line, what are these? This figure you have to make it in your copy also. See, this is a contour figure is made it on your, that is contour representing a hill. That is a two types of slope is there. That is steep slope and gentle slope. What is steep slope? If contour figures are nearby, then it is shown as steep slope. If contour figures are very far away, then what type of slope is shown? The gentle slope is shown. So this is a contour figure I have already drawn. Now the conventional. Now the next thing is in the map is conventional signs and symbol. Signs and symbols are used to represent various features on a topographical map. Symbols that are commonly used by cartographers and which are accepted universally, means we have to accept universally that this color is represent water body, blue color is represent water body, green color is represent that is vegetation. So we are universally accepted about these colors. So these are called conventional symbol. Now the next things you have to see about the scale. Take out your class 6th book only, all of you, and see the full part is giving in your class 6 about that is scale. 3 types of verbally I am telling you about the scales also, but read it from your geography previous class book because too much I cannot write also over here ki scale fully reified. So I am telling you about the scale. What is the scale? The scale is representing 3 types of scale. What is the scale is giving also in your book? That is verbal scale. Next is RF and the next one is that is linear scale. Full definition is giving in your geography previous year book. Scale also. This is a scale. I have already told you now. Now see class, we have studied about the representation of geographical features and we have talking about the topographical maps and about the color, symbols, conventional signs and the scales which you have to study it from your previous layer book, that in geography first chapter, which is already each and everything is giving about the scale. Now the next thing you have to do the whatever I have given in this notes, you have to read it thoroughly and do the work whatever I am giving you just now. The assignment is this: define topographical map. Next is what are contour lines. Third question is what is a verbal game, which is giving in your previous year book. The definition you have to write it from your previous year book 6th standard. Next is why are colors used in maps. What are the main colors? Each and everything you have to I have specified also. Everything is given used in topographical maps. And what do they indicate? Means what are the colors are indicated you have to represent. And all the colors you have to made it very nicely like I have made it. Next question is why topographical maps are also known as topographical sheet. These 5 questions you have to do it in your geography copy only. Next thing is the next assignment I have given you, draw the contour figure. I have made it in draw the contour figure. Drawn 2 types of slope, gentle slope and steep slopes, that you have to make. And next question is draw a globe, which is also given in your previous year book. Now when we meet, then I will write any problem if you have, then I will talk to you and give you any whatever problems you have, then I will explain you and do this work. Thank you class.